Hello everyone, I am Kaustubh Patil. Today we are going to discuss about the mixed potential divider for the subject of high voltage under the guidance of Dr. Mrs. Mangla Ded ma'am. So we are having the 4 people group. So let's start with the content of the today's discussions. So first one is we are going to see the introduction, then definition, working and diagram. Then we are going to see the advantages, disadvantages of the mixed potential divider. Then we are going to see the application and the work distribution. So first we see the introduction about the mixed potential divider. So basically the mixed RC potential divider use the RC element in a series or in parallel, and one of the method is connect capacitor in the parallel with R1 element, and another method is to connect RC series element. Next one is a potential divider is a simple circuit which turns a large voltage into a smaller circuit turns a large voltage into a smaller ones. The low underdamped RC divider acts as a load capacitor and it is suitable for application over a broad bandwidth. Next one is the definition. The RC signal filters a signal by blocking the some frequencies and allowing the other through it. So it is also called as a first order RC circuit and used to filter the signal by passing the some frequency and the blocking the others. The next slide is going to explain by the Sayali.
Hello everyone, my name is Sayali Pawar. I am going to explain mixed potential divider. It is basically a potential divider consisting resistance and capacitance elements connected in either series or in parallel. We are going to use RC potential divider for improving the step response. Main purpose of it is to enhance more accuracy, and furthermore it obeys a voltage division law. Total voltage will be divided between the elements, and upper side will be the higher voltage and on the lower side will be the low voltage. Output side is connected to the measuring devices directly. R1 C1 is equal to R2 C2 is the relation should be followed during the design. As shown in diagram, it is the diagram of RC voltage divider. Then CG is the ground capacitance. C1 is a total series capacitance. Resistance. Like C1 dash is equal to NC1 in bracket 1 minus CG divided by 6C1. If we are going to use the RC potential divider, definitely we have to include step response. Next slide. Step response is the time behavior of the output of general system when input changes from 0 to 1 at a very small duration of the time. Now let's see what are the different combination of the RC potential dividers are available. Next slide. These are the different arrangements. First one is RC series divider. Next is modified connection of the RC divider, and then impedance matching with the RC divider. In the first RC series divider, as shown in the diagram, R1 C1 is the H1 HV arm, high voltage arm. R2 C2 is the low voltage arm. Total voltage will be divided with the help of these two arms. CRO is connected to the R2C2. Then this is the most popular type of combination. Another is in figure 2. It is a modified connection of RC divider. It obeys the relation of R1C1 is equal to R2C2. Moreover, we will able to calculate surge impedance, that is Z0 is equal to R3 plus R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Last one is impedance matching with the RC divider. For this, total high voltage is directly connected to CRO with the coaxial cable. It is a impedance matching for the RC potential divider. With the help of these arrangements, we can improve the step response. Next will be explained by my friend.
Hello, I am Sanket Rathod, explaining advantage and disadvantage of mixed potential divider. There are some advantages such as it is the easiest method to measure voltage by dividing, and in test arrangement it should be transferred if longer voltage. Its feedback ratio is constant and it has a fast transient response. It will give safe measurement and lower down the level while reading it. Next, the disadvantage of the mixed potential divider are if resistance divider are used, the introduce a small power loss means this is under damped or low damped divider. The key disadvantage of this divider is the ratio may be again affected by voltmeter resistance, which adds uncertainty. Also, if capacitor divider are used, tolerance and individual values have to be very close. Further will continued by Akash.
Thank you, Sanket. I'm Akash. Garad. Now I am going to explain about applications of RC potential divider. So this RC potential divider is used for to control of temperature in fridge or as audio volume controls. Also, it is suitable for applications over bandwidth. Also, this RC potential divider is used for switching impulses, lighting impulses, and chopped waves. Next slide. Now, this is link provided for you to if you want to more information about this topic, so you may go with this link. Next slide. Now talking about work distribution, the PPT is making by Kaustubh Patil, then theory research is by Sayali Pawar, the application part that is Akash Garad, and the advantages and disadvantages are from Sanket.